I am Tina Woodford, and today we are going to learn fractions using the Cuisenaire rods. First of all, what is Cuisenaire rods? These colorful rods here is the Cuisenaire rods. Our orange Cuisenaire rod is 10, our blue Cuisenaire rod is 9, our brown Cuisenaire rod is 8, the black is 7, the yellow is 6, the dark green is 5, the purple is 4, and the green Cuisenaire rod is 3, and the red Cuisenaire rod is 2, and the white block Cuisenaire rod is 1. So that's our Cuisenaire rods. And here's a little chart to show you what each one is worth. Now, let's learn fractions using the Cuisenaire rods. So first of all, what is a fraction? Fraction represents a part of a whole. So to find out a part of a whole, let's take our brown Cuisenaire rods. Which is 8. So this is our one whole rod, which is 8. We're going to find out how many parts does our brown Cuisenaire rod has. So here's our brown Cuisenaire rod. We can take the black Cuisenaire rod, which is 7. So that would be 7/8. Get a paper here and we'll write it down as we go. So our black Cuisenaire rod is 7. First of all, we know that the brown rod is 8, is our whole. So that would look like this when you write it down. 8 over 8, which equals 1 whole. So that's our whole. Brown is our whole. So now we're going to find out how many parts that goes into our whole here. We have our black Cuisenaire rod, which is 7. So it's going to look like this when we write it. 7/8. Then we take our dark green Cuisenaire rods, place it up here, and we know our dark green is 6. So it's going to look like this when it's rolled out. 6/8. Then we take our yellow Cuisenaire rod, place it underneath the green, which is going to be part of the brown, the whole. And this one's going to be 5/8. Then we take our purple Cuisenaire rod, place it there. So purple of our brown of our whole is going to be 4/8 because the purple is 4. Then we take our green, light green Cuisenaire rod, place it there. That's going to be 3/8 of our whole, which is our brown. Then we take the red Cuisenaire rod, place it there, and that's going to be 2/8. So it's going to be 2/8, part of our Cuisenaire, our brown Cuisenaire rod, which is our whole. Then we take the 1, our white one, which is our 1 Cuisenaire rod, and that's going to be 1/8 of our whole. So 1/8. So this is the parts of our whole. We start off with 8/8, which is our 1, which is our whole. 7/8, 6/8, 5/8, 4/8, 3/8, 2/8, and 1/8. Now we do know some of these can be simplified down. For example, the 6/8. We know 2 goes into 3. 2 into 6 will be 3. And then 2 will go into 8, 4. So we have simplified this down to 3/4. So we know now the dark green 6/8 will be 3/4 of our whole, our brown Cuisenaire rod. Now there's another one that needs to be simplified down, which is this one right here, 4/8. And there again, you take 2, find the lowest number to divide into both of them, and 2 is, so 2 will divide into 4 2 times, 2 will divide into 8 4 times. Now this can still be simplified down. 1 will go into 2, or 2 will go into 2 1 time, and then 2 will go into 4 2 times. So it's simplified down to 1/2. Now then there's one more. 2/8 can be simplified down. We know 2 will go into 2 1 time. We know 2 will go into 8 4 times. So these are simplified down now. 1/4, half, and 3/4. Another way, that's one way to learn fractions. Now let's just take, for example, let's use our white Cuisenaire rods. It takes 8 of our Cuisenaire rods to make a hole on this, on our brown Cuisenaire rod, which is an 8. So it takes 8. So let's pretend now that this brown Cuisenaire rod is a candy bar. And you cut this into 8 pieces. Okay? So these ones, the white Cuisenaire rods, is going to represent a piece. So you have 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have a friend come up and they want a piece. You gave a piece of your candy bar away. So you gave them a piece, 1 piece of your candy bar. So you have now left of your candy bar 7/8 of your candy bar left. Then let's say, for instance, you gave another piece of your candy bar away. You have now 6/8 of your candy bar left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, and we know this is a whole, 8. So 6/8 of your candy bar is left. So you can take another piece away of giveaway. You now have 5/8 of your candy bar left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, here's our 5/8. Now let's say you gave another piece of your candy bar, you ate a piece. So now you have 4/8 left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you gave another piece of your candy bar away. So now you have 3/8 of your candy bar left. 1, 2, 3. So that's how you do fractions using your Cuisenaire rods.